There are different types of birds in UAE. These are some pictures from Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary in Dubai. Some of the common birds in UAE are black-winged stilt, cattle egret, coral dove, common kingfisher, common myna, pied myna, desert lark, greater flamingo, grey heron, Indian roller, Indian silverbill, and house sparrow.
Let us enjoy a small movie. This is a male house sparrow.
This is a female one. They are thinking of a nest. We have to find a good place.
This place looks good. And the nest is ready.
The female will lay few eggs. And now 4 eggs are ready. 12 days incubation is required for the eggs to hatch. Both male and female sits on the egg. While one sits on the egg, the other one is vigilant about the surroundings. Wow, one egg hatched! After 3 hours, in this picture, we can see 2 eggs hatched out and 1 egg is partially hatching. Whenever they hear any sound, they open their mouth for food. They are 2 days old now. Eyes are not yet opened. Colors has changed now. They are 6 days old now. Eyes are not yet opened, but some feathers are there. Wow, they are 7 days old. Now the eyes are open, feathers are everywhere. Parents are keeping the food inside the beak of the baby bird. Both the parents are feeding them regularly. Once in every 5-10 minutes, it is bringing food and feeding the baby bird.
Let us see what is their food. Small fruits, cockroaches, dragonfly, butterfly, etc.
Female bird is checking on the male bird's catch. What you bought now? It is fast food, not good for our kids. In 9 days, they can stand straight, keeping the mouth open maximum. Whenever they hear the sound of the parents, they push each other for food.
Now they are 11 days old.
One of them came out from the nest, went to the nearby branches of the tree to see the world. It is checking its wings by spreading it. After some time, it came back to the nest.
Female is watching this development.
Now the parents started advice and training for pass out. All 3 are standing out of the nest. Parents want them to come out of the nest. With food, parents will sit at a high little branch and kids have to come up for their food.
It is 13 days old now and ready for the pass out.
It gone to the nearby branches, still do not have the courage to fly. The female bird is supporting by giving it a little food and advice.
It is trying to fly. Ready, steady, go! Yes, it is flying. And at night, it sleeps in a branch.
Thank you for watching this small movie on house sparrow.